welcome. I'm going to show you the easiest recipe you can make at home. I have a box of these potatoes and I'm going to throw them into the crock pot. You'll want to follow the directions on the box, but this box calls for 3/4 of a cup of milk. And then add in a tablespoon of butter. And now 1½ cups of boiling water will be added. This recipe on the box didn't call for onion, but I'm going to add in onion. We love onion. Then I'm going to cut up a chicken breast and add that in. I add in pepper, but I leave the salt out. One hour later, now it's been cooking for a while, and it is getting real close to being done. I decided to go ahead and make some biscuits, and I also put some corn in a pan. This was the easiest meal to make. I hope you will give it a try. I also hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.